Hello and welcome to 3.0 TV. I am your host Vishakha Thakur. It's Monday, the day we bring latest updates from the Mint Street, a bunch of curated stories in the Web3 space, giving you the flavor of market activity and the fresh deals struck during this week. Well, we have curated deals from varied segments in this show so that you, our viewers, stay well informed of the latest developments and benefit from the action taking place in this space. But first, a quick look at the trends so far. So before we start talking about the notable deals of the week, let's have a look at some interesting stats. So in November 2024, crypto venture capital activity declined significantly, with only 90 deals raising $449 million, down 43.66% from October's $797 million. So it was the lowest month for deals and funding in 2024, despite a bullish market. Key highlights included Zero Gravity Labs securing $290 million for a decentralized AI operating system and Superscript planning $100 million blockchain fund. Infrastructure, DeFi and gaming-led investments, while CeFi funding dropped sharply. Optimism arose from Trump's re-election, suggesting favorable regulatory conditions, and founders are exploring community-driven funding, reflecting a return to crypto's roots. So let's start with having a look at the deals which made headlines this week. Tenstorrent, the chip startup led by wanted semiconductor engineer Jim Keller, says it raised more than $693 million in a Series D funding that gives it a $2 billion pre-money valuation. Samsung Securities and AFW Partners led the round. Jeff Bezos, Bezos Expeditions, Fidelity Management and Research Co. and LG Electronics also joined the funding for Tenstorrent, which aims to rival semiconductor giant Nvidia in the creation of chips for AI. Export Development Canada, Healthcare of Ontario Pension Plan, Hyundai Motor Group, Billy Gifford and other investors also participated in the deal. Moving on, USDX.money, a stablecoin infrastructure project, announced it has raised $45 million in the latest round of financing. The round puts the project's valuation at $275 million, while investors for this round include NGC, BAI Capital, Generator Ventures, and UOB Venture Management, with a portion of the investments made in the form of warrants. Its pre-existing investors are Dragonfly Capital and Generation Capital. Moving on, Pantera Capital, a leading hedge fund and venture capital firm in the crypto space, recently secured $20 million to invest in DogeCoin. Documents filed with the US SEC reveal that funds were raised through two investment vehicles with commitments from 29 investors. The minimum required investment was $250,000. Moving on, Barter, a Chile-based DEX, has raised $3 million in a seed funding round. Key investors include Digital Currency Group, Maven 11, Lattice, Daedalus Angel Syndicate, Hardcore Capital, and Anagram. So this funding will help Barter innovate and grow within the competitive decentralized finance ecosystem. And moving on to the last deal of the show, Raremo, a zero-knowledge identity protocol, has announced the closing of a $2.5 million fundraising round spearheaded by Ethereum's Vitalik Buterin. Other investors include Celestia's Nick White and Aztec's Zach Williamson, among others. Termed the Vision Round and reserved exclusively for founders of leading chains and ZK protocols, the raise was designed to unite leaders around a shared vision for the future of digital identity. So that's all in this episode of Deal Corner. Keep watching 3.0 TV for more such updates and do log on to our website www.3voicetv.io or scan the QR code. This is me, Vishakha Thakur, signing off.